To make up the front bed from the parallel bench seat arrangement in standard width models, start by removing the scatter and back cushions. Then turn the seat cushions over. Pull the lip of the bedboard in between the two front chest drawers. As you reach the end of the bench area, there is another small lip to pull the slats over. These are the locking buttons that hold the slats in place. Slot in the back cushions in the center of the bed. A handy guide is located on the inside of the wardrobe door. The front beds in the 8-foot wide models use an AccuRide bed makeup system. Remove the scatter and back cushions from the front side seats. Lift up the seat base and unfold the support leg. Pull the extendable slatted seat base towards the center of the van. Turn the cushions over. Connect both frames together with the Velcro strap. Slot in the backrests and infill cushions to complete the bed. To make up the front bed in base camp, remove the scatter and back cushions from the front side seats. Lift up the seat base and unfold the outer support leg. Turn the seat cushions over. Then pull the extendable slatted seat bases to the center of the van. Slot in the backrest cushions to complete the bed. A handy guide is located on the inside of the wardrobe door.